10 career-boosting tips for introverts. 1. Leverage your listening skills and ask questions. Be a superpower in understanding tasks and team dynamics. 2. Prepare. Preparation helps in feeling confident during presentations and meetings. 3. Find your niche in networking. Focus on building deeper quality connections. 4. Choose the right role. Seek roles where independent work is valued and permitted. 5. Write it out. Use written communication to effectively express ideas. 6. Master digital communication. Enhance your proficiency with digital tools for effective communication. 7. Create a personal brand online. Use platforms like LinkedIn to subtly network and showcase skills. 8. Mindful collaboration. Use collaborative tools to manage teamwork while maintaining personal space. 9. Skill development. Enhance communication skills through courses in public speaking or business writing. 10. Maintain a reliable to-do list or project management tool. This helps alleviate stress associated with the fear of having forgotten a task. There you have it, 10 career-boosting tips for introverts. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more, like, share and subscribe.